Hey, what's up guys? So today the PRL Intercooler finally came in. I'm so hyped for this. But first we have to run to Home Depot for some bolts and the spray for the stencil. Also, we're gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts.
Holy shit, dude.
Alright guys, so we didn't open the box so we could show it on camera how the packaging is.
All I gotta say, I know PRL's packaging is mad nice.
Their quality is always nice.
Look at that, they double packaged it. Look, the text is 3D. That's cool. Oh shit. You already did.
Fuck it.
That's cool. Oh, that's a stencil.
They give you a stencil so you could paint it, which is why we had to go to Home Depot.
But we're gonna do it on the side because
There.
the sensor covers it in the middle.
Oh yeah.
I don't understand why
When the
Honda
bumper's
would
on,
put the sensor there.
the sensor is there. So we're gonna put the PRL on the side so you could kind of see it.
Look, it's a leaf there.
We're gonna do it bronze to go with the whole color scheme of the car, black and bronze.
So that's it for the install. PRL.
Stick that on the stock one and that's it.
Honestly, I don't like their stickers.
Don't you have one on the side?
Yeah, I don't like it because it doesn't match my color scheme.
That makes sense.
But it's a nice sticker. Alright, they give a few clamps. You need a clamp. Not these though.
This is what the intercooler looks like.
That's
It's
so nice.
thick, isn't it?
The stock one is gonna end like.
Oh, it's kind of heavy.
This stock one is
thick.
like this much.
It's like half the size, right?
Yeah. That's nice.
Alright. Now let's take out the front bumper.
Go there, head out to the six, I think he tripping and I smoke it. Around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Yeah. Alright, I got you niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta.
Alright, so the jack literally
Barely fits.
barely fits inside. I mean, it's perfect. This car lives on the edge.
Really harder, boy.
Alright, I got you niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Yeah. Alright, I got you niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Yeah. How you say you hate me, tryna be just like me? Yeah. Pull up in all black, you know I keep it spicy.
Alright guys, so after you take the bumper off, this is what it looks like. And come close. So to change the intercooler, you have to take out the sensor off. And there's two 10mm right here. I think those are 10 or 12. Let me check later. And then there's also some hidden bolts right here. I don't know how you're gonna get that. I think you have to move the... If you have a swivel socket, you might be able to do it. There's no way we could show you guys. But you'll see this little rod is attached to the frame. You're gonna have to take that off on both sides.
That is nasty.
Dude! What the f?
COVID-19 on dude. Look at the headlight. Here's the front bumper. Alright, let's get to it.
Alright guys, so scratch what I said before. I don't know, I saw online the guy took out the back bolts, but it's a little easier than that. I don't know if you can see my finger. there's a bolt that goes right there. Focus. Even if it doesn't focus, it's right there. The bolt goes right there. Just take that off.
That part comes out.
Yeah, look. You could just literally just use a long extension and it's right there. And you gotta do that on both sides.
And then this piece is off for the Honda sensing. For the Honda sensing, basically you just have to put it on the side because it is directly connected.
Just
leave it to the side.
Just take off this clip.
Yeah, there's just one clip that you gotta take off. It's easy. And then leave it to the side.
The 2 bolts for the intercooler is 12 millimeter.
Easy peasy.
And this side is out.
Time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Xotic.
So here's the difference between the PRL intercooler and the stock intercooler. Look at the size difference.
Show them the width of it too.
Yeah. Here, hold it.
It's a huge
Oh, the
difference.
stock one's lighter.
Much lighter.
Yeah, the stock one is way lighter. But then this is how you know this is heavy duty.
The PRL is like a fourth bigger than the stock on every way possible.
Here's the difference. Look at that, and look at that. Mama ain't raised no bitch. So this is so a lot. The PRL sends you this new gasket and a new clamp.
That goes over here.
And the rubber gasket goes right here.
Look at the welds though. I wanna learn how to weld.
Artists that don't gotta wait in line. Yeah, I came from the bottom. All your favorite artists, they can see me and I'm right behind them. The light in the darkness, see me shining. Elliot every time and OKC the thunder. Got a structure and it's driven line and toast that bread they wanna let them wonder. I got true niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Yeah, alright. I need true niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your.
The stencil they gave to paint the intercooler, we're gonna place it all the way in the corner because if you put it centered, this blocks it. The Honda sensing blocks it, so we're gonna put it in the side so you can kind of see it.
Yeah. So L's gonna be blocked off, but that's
Yeah.
fine.
Let's tape this in. Hold it like that. One hand.
Is it perfectly on?
That should be good, no?
Yeah. You wanna put one on the top?
Oh yeah, we have to.
Yeah.
How do I ever reach my hand in there? I got skinny hands. One up there.
Put one on the other side here. Should be good. Let's get to paint some.
Alright. Oh, now time lights.
Xotic.
So for the bolt that goes on the Honda sensing, the one that's like people say is hard to take off and hard to put back on, this show where my hand is, like this hand. This part is plastic, so you could just reach your, if you have like a skinny hand like mine, I guess you could reach your hand in there and just tighten that.
say you hate me, tryna be just like me. Pull up in all black, you know I keep it spicy. Put them diamonds on my wrist to keep me shining. Got a bad chick that is worth it, put my time in. I need true niggas around me all the time, yeah. I got real niggas to help me boost my grind, yeah. I'm a different type of peanut of mankind, yeah. Dino artists that don't gotta wait in line, yeah. Yeah, I came from the bottom, all your favorite artists, they can see me and I'm right behind them. The light in the darkness, see me shining. Elliot every time and okay, see the thunder. Got a structure and it's driven lining. Toast that bread, they wanna let them wonder. I got true niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life.
Alright guys, so the intercooler is officially on. We did spray painted the PRL logo bronze, but you could barely see it. You could barely see it. That was a fail. That's fine. But shout out to Vivid Racing, especially Tyler Engelhart. That man hooked me up with this. All your parts and needs of the Accord 1.5 or 2.0, go to Vivid Racing. They got everything.
Link in the description down below.
Down below.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios.
Cause it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be playing on me, they playing. Yeah, it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be playing on me.